Hanu and welcome to my channel of how to make it. Today we are going to be making a secret invention and it's known as slime, of course. But this is not just an ordinary slime. This is called an unicorn slime. It has two colors mixed, but I have already played with it. That's why it is just normal pink. Now, you'll be needing some things to make the slime. First thing you'll be needing is a bowl. You need a metal bowl or any plastic bowl, but just don't use a glass bowl because it's maybe going to be cracked. Secondly, you need a tool to mix your slime. I have an old brush, but I don't really use it, so I'm going to be mixing using this. Next, we are going to be needing a water-soluble crayon, or more likely you can use food coloring and paint. I don't have any food coloring and paint, so I would just use this crayon. You just have to open it up and just cut it. And you have to put it in your glue and have a big battle with it because you have to mix it the right way with your glue. Nextly, you'll be needing a PVA glue right here. You will be needing a PVA glue or a clear glue. I put some little of those crayon chunks which make it purple in color. But I mostly prefer the PVA glue because the PVA glue have lots of silky texture and it's really soft. Next thing we need is a glitter glue. If you don't have glitter glue, you can just use normal glitter. But I don't have any glitter, so I'll be using glitter glue. Then the most important thing you need is an activator. My friend gave this activator to me but I still have to pay her $4 just for a small bottle. It's so expensive. Now, the first step to make your slime is take your bowl and add a small amount of glue. As we are making two colors for the unicorn slime, we'll be adding a bit for each amount. So let me add the glue. Nextly, we are going to be adding some glitter glue. I don't have any glitters, so nextly, we're going to be mixing all of them. It must be mixed very nicely so that it's evenly spreaded. Now, after we are done, we're going to take some crayons and we're going to be adding this. So it's better if you chop it, but I'm not going to use it now. I'm going to be using it for my second color. This one is just going to be a plain white glitter slime, and I'm going to be mixing it with a blue slime. Now we're going to add some activator. Now we're going to be mixing it. Now, as we are done, we are going to be stretching the slime so it can be soft and fluffy. Look, you have to stretch it and mix it. And if you want, you can poke it at the end. It's going to be like a stress relieving toy because if you're very angry, just play with your slime. When I was angry and I was really stressed, I played with my slime and it did work out. And look at the texture, it's so silky. And I love the color because this was my first slime and I love purple and pink. And when it was both mixed together, then it looks like strawberry ice cream. More like cotton candy ice cream in Baskin Robbins. So now you'll be also needing a container. This is my only container. So you have to poke the slime and put it in the container. You have to also seal it nicely just add the glitter dot to make it look like a special slime. Thank you everyone for watching my video, and make sure to subscribe my channel, like, give a big thumbs up, and also share the videos. Thank you everyone. Bye. Have a great day. And also, there's one thing. Make sure to make your unicorn 2-colored slime. Or if you want, you can make a 3-colored slime of your unicorn slime. Then post the picture of your slime in the comments below, and I will give you some valuable prizes. Thank you everyone. Bye. Have a great day.